In this video, we'll walk you through registering and activating your Razor Tracking subscription. The first step is to locate your registration materials. To activate your device, go to razortracking.com/device-registration, or simply scan the QR code sticker on your machine's dashboard. Then, fill out the form with your name and business name, your business address, email, and phone number, where you purchased the machine serial number, and the device number. Double check your information, then click Submit. Once your device is successfully registered, you'll receive a confirmation email. Then, visit razortracking.com and log in using the email and password you just registered with. Once you're logged in, your Steel Green machine should appear in your fleet dashboard. Check that your machine is connected and tracking properly. You should see its location, status, and other key data in the dashboard. If your machine doesn't appear or you experience issues, contact Razor Tracking support at 833-GO-RAZOR. That's it. Your Razor Tracking device is now active, and you're ready to start monitoring your Steel Green in real time.